mayambu ikokno no khuramjari aigi ming Tenzing Pukhrambam adomna yengbiriba asi Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 ge ahanba episode ni. This program is brought to you by Lamjingba Youth Development Association, Yariport Angtha and Impact TV. Hariba Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 asida Manipur pumbadagi school kuntaret na saruk yare. School kuntaret asi akoina first round, second round, third round khaidoktuna contest asi panthok chari. Aduna first round asida school kuntaret asi akoina lottery tawraga team ahum khaidoktuna pool mapan khak pangthok chagani. Pool A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, N, I. Hariba pool sing asidagi akoina winner oiraklaba team aduna second round qualify tawduna round mathang chatharaga third round qualify tawraga winner oiraklaba team kuntaret adudagi team amakhaktuna winner oiduna akoi lot of exciting prizes habidi magi cash award amasung citation bizaraga mukoi bu honor tawgani. Aduna ngasigi episode 1 asigi pool A gi team members sing team A, B and C akoi gi studio da lengsin duna izare. Team A gi members akoi Lee Faith School Sangai Pro dagini. Team B na Memorial Model Academy Yairpok dagi. Aduga team C Peace and Freedom Academy Thobal Haukha. Aduna hozik akoi team A gi members sing isa gi ming laifam aduga standard class kya kaibire myam viewers sing da introduction tawbagi tanjam lawgani.
Ming Roshni Konthauzam school na Lee Faith School Sangai Pro duga ai class 10 tam.
Okay.
Ai ming na Desert Rungsong ai Lee Faith School dagini aduga class 10 tam.
Okay, team B.
Ay Ming Yumlemam Robertson, class 9, school na Memorial Model Academy.
Ming Thasami Sikanta from Yaripok Igi School Memorial Model Academy.
Team C.
Hello everyone, I'm Jusla Sem of 9th standard. I'm from Thawal and I'm a representative of Peace and Freedom Academy.
I'm Keriva from Peace and Freedom Academy. I'm in 10th standard.
Okay, thank you so much. Team A, B, and C, all the best. Ready leraba? Okay, how yare ko? Okay, akoi hariba quiz contest asi round manga thokna khaidok chai. Hariba round sing asi koi ahambada general awareness round. Aduga second round na home round. Third round na koi audio and visual round. Fourth round is buzzer round. Aduga last we have current affairs and IT round. Ana ojik first round asi koi haunanaba tawjarage. Teams ready? First round asigi rules and regulations koi haijara age aduna yamunna tabiro. First round asi koi general awareness round ko. General awareness round asi koi na account opening round hansu mingthonjai karigino haiba matamda akoi mark score ta hona bani ko. Haiba general awareness round asida akoi na chance ani pigani team khudingmakta chance ani pigani. Ahanba chance asida karigumba answer chumna khumbirakpa taragadi will allot 10 marks to the team. Yare ko karigumba first chance to the lan na hairakpa taragadi will have a second chance. Ko second chance adu the karigumba chumna khumbirakpa taragana will allot you 5 points. Let us start yaraba. Okay, we'll have round 1 general awareness round. So we have the questions on the screen. I have a question team A dagi hojage. Team A aina question se hek hairaba matungda question sigi option sing patho ba matungda koi countdown ama torokani 10 seconds ki countdown sigi manungda akoina answer do khumbi hogadabani. So we'll start it. Team A. Team A, choose your question. 2. Okay. So we have the question on the screen. Question number 2. On which scale is loudness of sound measured? Aduna option A we have decibel, option B hertz, option C mega, option D Pascal. So team A. Okay, yam thuna khumbire team A na khaliba answer asi decibel ni. So it is correct. So congratulations team A. Team A the 10 marks score ama. So we'll have a small round of applause. Congratulations team A. Okay, so next questions we have on team B. Team B ki question can choose to biro. 3. Okay, we have the question on the screen. 3. What is the minimum age to become a member of Lok Sabha? Lok Sabha dagi member ma oinabagi damakta khwaidagi minimum age kari darkar lei karma chahi da ko. So we have on option A 21, option B 18, option C 25, and option D 30. Team B.
C.
C. All right. C is chumme ko. Okay, the age is 25. Minimum age of becoming a member of Lok Sabha is 25. So congratulations Team B again. Yam thuna kumbire. So Team C, ngi chance de muka. So Team C, choose your question.
4.
4. Okay. 4. The question is, when did Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Option A, August 15, 1919. Option B, April 13, 1919. Option C, June 20, 1920. And option D, June 19, 1990. Team C. Team C. Okay, seconds countdown.
B.
Okay, B. So let us check the question. B have a go. It is 13 April 1919. Okay, the option is also correct. Chumna kumbire. Thank you so much. Aduna team A, B, and C. I'm chumna kumbira kare. Aduna ahambagi round asidi yam line kumbire have tare ko. So we'll get to the next round, second round. Second round ase akoigi home round haina ming tholi. Home round ase akoigi rules and regulations haijar age duna amuna tabiro. Home round sidadi akoi chance laitre ko sidadi direct questions oigani. Direct questions oigani. Team kudimakta direct question oigani aduga options lairoi aduna within 10 seconds you have to answer the question. Right? And home round ase mostly akoina based or revise akoigi home Manipur sida based of question ngak to oigani ko. So let us check the questions. Team B dagi hana horage aduna options later koi 1 2 3 4 asidagi shana pamjaba option number khanbiro. Okay. Question number 2. So we have the question on the screen. Manipuri language was introduced in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India in which year? Ko Manipur gi law na se go 8th schedule constitution sida karamba chahi da yawan kige hodo kige haiba. Aduna team B, we start your countdown now.
1998.
1998. Okay. Yaraba, Jumena Kandaraba. So we'll check the answer. The answer is 1998. Let's check it. Oh, okay. So, answer say koi lale. I guess screen se the lai ko answer se lale. It is not 1998. So, chances say koi na team C the chance pizza gani ko. If you answer it correct, then you'll get the bonus point of 5 marks.
1972.
1972. So, team A. Seconds countdown like record team A gisu bonus question oiragasu 1977. That is also wrong. Lali adusu. Okay. So the correct answer is 1992. Manipuri language was introduced in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India in 1992. Ko. Yare aduna question se mathangi question si ko team C da oina lakcharage direct question team C gi. So choose your question.
3.
Question number 3. Traditionally in Manipur, how many players are there in a polo team? Manipur gi tradition sida akoi polo players team amada masing kya suge. So we start to count down.
11.
11. Okay, 11 is not right. I'm so sorry to tell you. 11 se lali. Alna next question team A the bonus 7. Okay, so it is correct. So team A the question the bonus point team A the koi pizza gani ko. Aduna next question also goes to team A though in a direct question so mali. Next question, choose your question please. 4. Okay. So the question is, Luingaini is the traditional festival of which tribal community of Manipur? Luingaini hari a traditional festival as Manipur Karma community festival non habani. We start to count down now.
Nagas of Manipur.
Nagas of Manipur. Okay, yam chumno kumbire, and the answer is Nagas of Manipur. Okay, doing ni hariba okay Naga ge community sing namak hai tare okay Mao Tangkhul Chothe laiba mayam se pula punje lage moigi seed sowing festival haina so hai ko aduga New Year moigi New Year amana se New Year amane haina so symbolize tawba dung festival liungai ni so team A ne am chumno kumbire. Hojik second round loirba matungda akhoi team members sing score ko screen da lejare. Team A lead torga marks 25 marks panguna team A ne lead tori. Next we have team B and C with the same score of 10 marks. Ana mathangi round mayam ama lairi round mayam sida hena pugat hauna ba ko yam munna tabi raga yam section na khumbisi. Next round yam interesting over round ama da lakadore ko third round, that is the audio and visual round. Ahanba round asidi koi audio da hana lakani audio gi question sing je choose tawbir matungda adugi mathangda visual gi round ama muka audio haiba audio gi round se audio ama tharakani audio si munna tabir matungda adugi matungna question se karamba question no haiba akoi hangjarake yani ko aduna round 3 audio round akoi haujarage team C dagi haujage ko direct question of team C. Choose a question.
3.
Okay. Munna tabisi.
I said, why the hell didn't he tell me that before I put him in? Russia. My wife said, you never spoke to anybody from Russia, darling. I said, that's right. President Trump is waiting for the Mueller report. He's bad. He's a bad guy. But you know what I like about this? Number one, I'm in love, and you're in love. We're all in love together. We've done something that nobody's ever done. Hey, Don, how you doing? Hey, Donnie. I love you, Donnie.
Okay, so the question is, hojiki akoin audio tagriba speech ado speaker kanano? Who is the voice of that speaker?
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump. Okay, that was the right answer. Aduna hojiki tagriba speech adugi voice e kana have Donald Trump, the 45th US President Donald Trump. So congratulations Team C. So next we'll go on to Team A. Team A gi direct questions. Let's choose your question. 4. Okay. Munna tabiro.
Buffalo soldier, dreadlock rasta. It was a buffalo soldier in the heart of America, stolen from Africa.
Okay, that was a very beautiful song. The question is, who is the singer of that song, Buffalo Soldier? Your countdown starts.
Brian Williams.
Brand? Khara hauna haibiro. Brian Williams. Okay, I'm so sorry to tell you, Lale. We'll pass on to the next team B. If you know the answer, please. Your countdown starts now.
Sorry.
Okay. Team C. Countdown starts now. Singer. Who is the singer?
3.
Okay. So, Buffalo Soldier haiba isai dugi singer. The answer is Bob Marley. Okay, the Jamaican singer-songwriter Bob Marley. Alright, so guys, on next team. Next team, get direct question. Team B.
1.
Okay, hojiki play tobirkhiba audio dugi singer kanano hariba question asini. So countdown starts now. Pusparani. Puspa. Okay. Puspa hariba answer se lale. Aduna koi team C da question ase amuk hangjage. Countdown starts now. Singer kanano.
Rani.
Rani. Okay. So, Puspa hai ma Rani hai ma go. Jela Puspa Rani na tongan hai ra pro ke okay. Lali aduna next team A bonus question na khoi team A da hangjage countdown starts now.
Kabira.
Kabira. Kabira su Lali. Ano hojiki isai paisilakle nungsit kum hai isai dugi singer Atangbi Chanu. Ko visual dana ko gi somana act tawdana prominent director hoji Mr. Gyananna direction PB bani aduna singer the correct answer is Atangbi Chanu. So team A, B and C audio gi round asi loisilakpaga matung inna akoi visual round makha sathajage. Third round gi visual round asi gi questions 1 2 3 and 4 options screen da leire. Team A da la kada mali mathangi direct question se okay. So team A direct question se gi 1 2 3 4 choose to be 3. Okay, let us see the visual in view. Which famous company's logo is this? Hariba logo asi karamba company gi logo no. Countdown starts now. Microsoft. Okay, is the correct answer. So team A ne am chumna khumbira kare logo asi Microsoft ki logo ni. Okay, next question team B. Direct question ni choose to be 4. Okay. This is the second tallest building in the world at present. Name it. Sige building sige maming hayo have any the countdown starts now. Sorry, okay. The question is passed to team C.
Skyscraper.
Skyscraper. That is not the correct answer. So the question also passed to team A. The correct answer is Hanai Tower, which is 632 meter, have the 2073 feet wangba building tower China da ko. Okay, so the next direct question goes to team C. Team C, choose your question.
1.
1. The question is identify the room where the pilot controls the aircraft. Your countdown starts now. Pilot asina control aircraft control tawriba dugi room dugi maming hai room se kai kawi. Okay, so the question is passed on to team A. The time's up. Team B.
Cockpit.
Cockpit. Gam chumno kumbira kre the aduna team B is the bonus mark pigani. The answer is cockpit. Third round loi kraba matungi koi scores si mayam punna yengminasi. Team A is leading with 35 points, team B with 15 points and team C with 20 points. And as third round loi kraba matungda round ani laizari ko round ani is buzzer round ga current affairs and IT round hariba round ani sida phugat hoba yare duna please don't lose hope. So before we get on to the next round, that is the buzzer round, a short break. We'll take a short break, so we'll be right back. Break in Matung the Mayambo Mohana Taram no Okchari Adomning Biba si Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 gi ahan episode ni Pool A gi team members sing have the team A, B and C akoy music Lazaret. Then hozik fourth round buzzer round se koi hauna na ba tawjarage. Fourth round buzzer round se munna section na seriously lobiyo hana team B ga C su akoi marks on thawri se sidagi pugat hoba phajana yare maram de koi gi buzzer round asida karimba question da chumna khumbirak pa taragadi 20 points akoina allot tawjagani aduga karingumba lalamma taragana akoina -10 negative points ko aduni am section na khumbiba aduga akoi gi rule ama khagna akoina buzzer se akoina namgra matungda yam kuina khallaga laibe yade hek namma matungda koi countdown budi tawjarakani adubu hek namma matungda khumbiba maduna rule ni ko aduga ahanba buzzer namgiba miduda koi chances pizagani aduna direct questions later aduga pass on questions later the question say aina choose tawra ani ko aduna we'll have the buzzer round. So we have the questions on the screen. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Aduna ahanba question is question number 1 dagi dum hogjage. Aduna ready lebiro team A, B and C go. Question number 1. What will you get if you burn sugar? Buzzer dum nang birak pa yare akhangba team duna. What will you get if you burn sugar? Okay, koi khang de na logjarage ko. What will you get if you burn sugar? The answer is haidok pa yare ko black carbon. Black carbon ni adana hariba question is team A, B, C ahumak na khangdaban oiduna akoi mathangi question sida makha sathajage. Mathangi question, let us have question number 3. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi ki political guru kanano? Okay, team B.
Gopal Krishna Gokhale.
Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Okay, is the right answer. And team B da akoi na mark alo taujagani Gopal Krishna Gokhale haiba koigi Mahatma Gandhi amasung Muhammad Jinnah gi sumase mentor ni haina logi ko adana that is the right answer. So the next question, question number 2. Ready lebiro? With the help of which waves can bats fly at night? With the help of which waves can bats fly at night? Okay, team B.
Ultrasonic wave.
Ultrasonic waves. Okay, it is the right answer. Adana team B na buzzer round say kumduna. Let us give a big hand for team B go. Team B gidamakta. Okay, ultrasonic waves. So team B na question animak kumbikra matungda. Let us go on to the next question, that is question number 4. What is a landmass with 3 sides water and 1 side land called? Team C.
Peninsular.
Peninsular. Okay, peninsular. Okay, that is the correct answer. So congratulations, team C. Team C ni am chumna khumbirakre. 4th round buzzer round yam interesting over round oigre ko. Aduna round asi loirba matungda akoi team singi score ma am puna khangminar se team A with 35 points is running on the 3rd. Aduga team B is leading with 55 points and team C is running 2nd with just 40 points. Aduna team A mathangi round 5th round have the current affairs Samsung IT round asida makeup tawna ba honna bihoro. Team ABC last round ni handaki round se ko adu current affairs and IT round haiba round singa sigi questions ko na direct question oina team singda hangjagani aduga question singse isa isa na choose tawga answer khumma matungda karigumba ngamdre hairagadi koi mathangi team do da pass on tawduna bonus points ki chance lairi aduna please be alert. 5th round current affairs and IT round se haunanu tawjage. We'll start with team B. Team B, choose the question. Question number 4. Which team won FIFA Women's World Cup 2019? Your countdown starts now.
USA.
USA. I'm chumna kumbira kare team B na which FIFA Women's World Cup 2019 USA. Congratulations team B. Team C da mulak chage. Team C, choose your question.
1.
Question number 1. Who is the highest paid athlete in 2019 according to Forbes magazine? Your countdown starts now.
Sorry.
Okay. The question is passed on to team A. Question chap manai countdown haujakre. Who is the highest paid athlete in 2019 according to Forbes magazine? Okay, time's up. So team B.
Hima Das.
Hima Das. Okay, that is wrong answer. Aduna, the correct answer is Lionel Messi ko. Okay, Argentina ge one of the most world's famous football player, Mr. Lionel Messi. Sina magi answer sina chumgani. Mathangi team C gi question ase loi khre aduna mathangi direct question ase ko team A da pizza get team A, choose your question. Question number 2. The question is, what is the full form of USB? Your countdown starts now. Okay, the time is up. Team B.
Sorry.
So Team C. The full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus. So USB and full form Universal Serial Bus. Aduna fifth round asisu tang sida koi loishinjare. Aduna fifth round gi matung dadi akoi let us all see on the screen who is the winner of pool A. So we have the score on the screen. Team A with 35 points, Team B with 65 points, and Team C with 40 points. So the winner is Team B. Congratulations, Team B. Pool A ki winner have the ahanba round asigi pool A ki winner Team B si bokogi second round da qualified tawduna mathangi round si changnana bokoi qualified tawkre aduga kanganjaba ma kogi chang makha da changgiba team sing sigi scorer sing have tare ko scorer sing sida highest scorer gi jo akoi achawa mana ma thamjari aduna matung tarakpa round da su phajana khumbina na ba akoina aduma khaijage duna exciting prizes mayam le congratulations Team B adom nang asigi pool A asigi winner oibugi matungina makhada khoi mathangi episode sing dasu mayam mathangi pool B C la kadur mayam su mayam pudum yeng tamina duna handaki Brainwave Quiz 2019 season 1 asigi winner do kanano puna khamina si. So that was all for today's episode of Brainwave Quiz 2019. See you in the next episode. Thank you so much.